students, welcome you all in English class. Students, as you know that the chapter number 5 of Moments is going on, and the name of chapter is The Happy Prince, and it is written by Oscar Wilde. So students, in this story then we have seen that there is a story of Happy Prince, that who was very happy when he was alive, because he did not feel any problem and he was having all the facilities. But when he was died, then a statue of him was made and it was situated out of his kingdom. And as he was stood on a tall pillar, he was able to see. So at that time he felt the problems of the world and he wanted to do something. As its body of statue was very beautiful, as it was having expensive jewels. So, but it was unfortunate that he was not able to move, as even it was able to see and feel, but not able to move from its place. So, how he would do anything? Finally, later on, after some time, as a swallow came there, then who wanted to go to Egypt, but on the way, then he stayed there for taking rest. But when he heard about Prince's story, and then as Prince's determination and decision to do something for the people, and as Prince told him, requested Swallow to stay with him for one night. So he stayed, he became ready. And after that, by one, then here he provided, who? Swallow. Swallow provided help to seamstress, then playwright, and then to magic girl. And as by taking out all the jewels from the body of Happy Prince, ruby and sapphires, and he became blind, and now it was looking very shabby and dull. So even it was not able to see. He became helpless. So Swallow decided to live with Prince. Even it was winter season and he could not survive. It was not able to survive. It was not easy to survive for him. But he decided, then as both of them became good friends, so he decided that he would not leave the company of Prince. As daily he moved in different places of this kingdom and told him whatever he saw there. And now, but king wanted to know about the condition of actual condition of the people of his kingdom. So he told Swallow to give him information, real information about the people. And from that day, Swallow started narrating all the conditions of the people, as the higher classes were enjoying themselves and poor classes were starving, they were hungry, they were not having food to eat, they were not having clothes to wear, so they were surviving very hardly. So as he was narrating daily, so as he became a great messenger of Prince. So till this point we read in the previous class. Now today we will read the next part. Before starting explanation of today, let's have a look on the hard words. So today's hard words are scarlet, means dark red. Murmur means whisper. Snap means broken. Proclamation means government order. And now crumbs means fragments of bread flapping. And foundry means furnace where metal is melted. And now have a look on the key points which we are going to cover in today's explanation are as: the swallow dies, statue breaks and is melted, the heart of Prince cracks with sadness, the powerful people decided it useless, broken heart does not melt, God asks for two precious things. So students, as now Swallow was living with Prince and he was narrating all the things whatever was going on in the kingdom, and daily even he was shivering, he was not feeling well, but he did not leave Prince because he has made a great relation bonding with Prince, and he decided not to leave Prince at any rate. So as cold was increasing, and what happened? he one day as he died, as winters comes and it was snowy weather and now snowfall was going on. The swallow lies at the feet of the statue and dies from from exposure, means because of acute cold and exhaustion, because of tiredness, then he was died. He could never reach Egypt because he exchanged his dream of a warm climate and comfort with a bigger dream to bring help to those who are in need. Because at that earlier than he wanted to enjoy the warmth of Egypt by reaching there, but now his dream was there only to provide help to poor and needy. That's why, because of changing dream, now his condition has changed, and finally because of increasing cold, then he was died. Now as he got died, what happened? Here the statue of Happy Prince was affected by this. The heart of the sculpture cracks with sadness at the loss of his friend, the swallow. And the most beautiful part of the statue, the kind and giving heart, could not be seen from the outside. As swallow was died, so here as the Happy Prince, then who was having a great attachment with the swallow, then his heart could not bear it and it was cracked. Upon seeing the statue in such despair, the powerful people of the city, then they took out a decision because of the condition. Actually, then here as Prince was greatly attached with swallow, so he got shocked and he got depressed over the death of swallow, and his heart was breaks. It was broken into many pieces, and now because the statue was also broke down and it was looking very shabby and dull. So the powerful people of the city, the town councillor and mayor, they decided then this statue is now useless. It is no longer useful because there is no longer beauty and it is no longer beautiful. That's why now here, much like the poor, and it has exploited and it is looking very shabby, and statue should be taken down. Now mayor ordered, because he said that this statue which was looking very beautiful earlier, now it is not more than a beggar. It is looking very shabby. So they ordered their servants to break it down. And when the statue is melted in a furnace, the broken heart made of lead does not melt. And because even it was leaden heart, but it was not melt, and then it was thrown away into a dust heap. And they also thrown the dead body of swallow on the same heap. Now both things, now the leaden heart of Prince and the dead body of swallow, both were lying on a heap of dust. At that time what happened? God asked his messengers to bring two most precious things from the world. He asked for one of his angels to bring him the two most precious things in the city. The angel brought leaden heart of the Happy Prince and dead swallow. Now when God saw, then he praised the choice of angel. Now God said that the little bird would sing forever in the garden of paradise, and the Happy Prince would praise him forever in his city of gold. It means he appreciated the choice of angel, because really then even according to the human beings, according to the counselor and mayor, then these two things which were useless and they were thrown in the heap of dust. But according to the angel and according to the God, that these were two most precious things of the world, then which were full of kindness, generosity, cooperation and helpful nature. then which are the most precious qualities of humankind. And now here the heart of Happy Prince and Swallow, both were very humble, and they sacrificed themselves. Even the swallow sacrificed his life only for others. So in this story we have seen that on one side here the Happy Prince, then who did not know anything, who was ignorant by the problems of the world. Later on, when he came to know, he did his best to sort out the problem of people. And Swallow, then who lead his friendship along with this, he sacrificed his life to provide help to other people. So these are the great people. Only those rare people are there who lost their life even to help others. So these both of the characters, now Happy Prince and Swallow, are the best examples of the helpfulness and the great sacrificers. So along with this, now chapter has completed. Students, I hope that you have understood the story of this chapter. Still, if you get any query, any doubt, ask by calling or by making a test. Now, thank you very much.